Hey, what's up guys, this is Henry Neal, and today I'll be taking a look at a couple of cases that I've gotten for the Google Pixel 8 Pro and also the Google Pixel 8. I've been rocking a clear case on my Google Pixel 8 Pro for about a month right now, and yes, I like the case, but a company called Ghostek sent me a couple of cases called the Nautical Slims, and I'm going to be testing out these cases for the Google Pixel 8 Pro today. Alright, so let's take a look at the Ghostek Nautical Slims. Alright, it says here on the box that this case is 12 feet drop tested, which means you can drop your phone in this case from up to 12 feet and absolutely nothing will happen. It's also IP68 waterproof standard, meaning you can throw your phone in this case or take it swimming and absolutely nothing would happen to the phone. Let's turn up back here. It can go up to 6 feet in water, in clean water, clear water, not salt water, for up to 1.5 hours. And then it's also a slim precise fit. You've got a raised camera lip, and you've got detailed cutouts on the case. It's non-slip grip. You've also got a limited lifetime warranty on this case. Let's just dive right in and see what we get with the Ghostek Slim. There's nothing else in here, and yeah, this is the case. So in here you get a couple of things. You get a lanyard, you get a dry and wet wipe, some stickers, Ghostek card, another card thanking you for your purchase, and then you've got a how-to manual. Finally, you've got a squeegee, to push out all those bubbles. Alright, so let's take a look at the case. I got two of the Google Pixel 8 Pro cases here, and this first one has the, non-transparent back. So I'm just going to take off the plastic there. So this is a non-see-through back that you get in this case. In the second one that I have over there, it's a see-through back, so you can see the beauty of the case. But we're going to start with this one first. I have a glass protector on my Google Pixel 8 Pro that we're going to take off right now. Alright, now that you've got your phone out of the case, you're going to take your wet wipe. Give the phone a good wipe down, especially the screen. Just dry the screen as well. That's good enough. So next stage, take the phone and place it face down in the case. And just go around pressing from corner to corner to make sure that everything fits snugly. And then put your hands on the fingerprint section here and make sure that it touches the screen properly. Alright, so once that's done, we're going to take the back of the case and then snap it on, just like this. And I must say it's quite tough, to go around this, snapping all the corners of this into where they ought to be. Alright, as you can see here, the Google Pixel 8 Pro is completely covered by the Ghostek Nautical Slim case. And this is a full body cover case, which means that you don't get to see any part of the phone. The phone is completely covered by the case. You only have openings for things like your microphone on the top and your speaker grills at the bottom here. You've also got that port for your charging, which is quite hard to open. I mean, it's a bit of a struggle to have it open, but I guess they made it this way because they wanted it to be properly sealed, so when it drops on water or when you drop it on the floor, dust and water doesn't get in. Now, what do I think of the Ghostek Nautical Slim case? I think it's very well built. It's a very good build quality phone. When you install this case, you have to re-register your fingerprints. Now, does the screen work properly? Yes, the screen works just fine with the case on it, but again, your fingerprint would not work initially when you install the case, so you have to go in and re-register your fingerprint. Alright, now I have my prints registered. I'm going to turn off the phone and try. And there you go. So what are my final thoughts about the Ghostek Nautical Slim case. I think it's a brilliant case. The only downside I see about this case is, number one, you don't get to see the beauty of your phone because it covers the phone all round, which is a good thing in itself. And number two, the charging port down there is quite tough to open. Aside these two things, I think this is a brilliant case for those people who want to create, or for those people rather who want to keep their phone pristine until they get the next one. Like I said, I have a second case here for the Google Pixel 8 Pro, which is the clear case. So this one is a see-through, so you can see, at least see some beauty of the phone. And let's just try that. I mean, you can slot the new case as needed, at least. You get to see the color of your phone, and I think I prefer this version really because it allows me to see the phone just a little bit. Although this is not 6 feet of water, I'm just going to be trying it in here to see if there are any bubbles coming out from the device. So let's just put it in there. And yeah, I mean, it holds up so far. No bubbles as far as I can see. Yeah, no bubbles whatsoever. Yeah, just before I go, also to let you know that this case also exists for the Google Pixel 8 and also phones like the iPhone 15 Pro. So I have one more case here for the Google Pixel 8, which I will be giving out to one subscriber. So if you live in the UK, what you can do is, just leave a comment in the comment section of this video and tell me why you'd like to have the case for the Google Pixel 8, and I will send this over to you. What's the price for the Ghostek Nautical Slim? As in, for this one, for the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Google Pixel 8, you'd be paying around $39. I mean, which is fantastic when you think about the protection that this case gives your device. Yeah, let me know what you think about the Ghostek Nautical Slims. Is this a case that you would love to buy? I mean, if you're looking for something for full protection, I think this is something you should definitely take a look at. I'll have links to where you can buy this case in the video description. And if you click on my link, you get a little bit of a discount. And yes, Ghostek pays me, just a little commission for, directing people to buy those cases. But honestly, I would not deceive any of you. This is a good case to have. Thanks guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my full review of the Google Pixel 8 Pro.